Hello Dollface, it's Kat here and I am so excited for today's video. Oh my gosh, I got my hands on the Oh Honey palette from Sugarpill and we are going to review, tutorial, swatch, do all the beautiful things with today. I am just so excited. If you don't know what the Oh Honey palette is, it is the Sugarpill Trixie Mattel collab, the best collab, the collab from my dreams. As soon as I saw them teasing this on Instagram, your girl had to start saving and buying it. I knew I needed it. I never needed a collab palette more in my life. Trixie Mattel is my favorite drag queen. I think she's the most amazing drag queen ever. She is so funny. I love her makeup and I just loved her style. She was my favorite from the beginning on season 7 and I was so sad when she left, but I was so proud when she won All Stars because I just love Trixie Mattel. Honestly, like, she has the best humor, she has the best style, the best makeup. She's amazing. I love her so much, and so I was so excited. So I thought today we would just look at this beautiful packaging. I tried to match the packaging a little bit, you know, so I got my yellow and my pink, and actually Trixie Mattel has the same shirt. Well, it's a bodysuit, but it's super cute, and I just realized I have a gingham shirt with a gingham background. Is that a faux pas? I don't know. I don't care. I love gingham and I feel super cute right now and I just love it. I have yellow hair to match this. This is a wig. I know it looks really fake, but I was really missing my yellow hair, but I'm trying to tone my hair back to blonde for my sister's wedding, so I wasn't going to re-dye it, so I bought myself a wig because I just really missed having the yellow, but I want to do more colors, so tell me if you guys like this. But let's go back to what we're really here for. The Oh Honey palette. So look at this beautiful packaging. We have the yellow roses. It's a very nice soft pastel millennial pink, and I don't know if you guys can see, but there's little gold and honeycombs everywhere, and you got Trixie's signature, the Sugarpill logo, and then you slide it out. Oh, there's Oh Honey. Oh Honey, oh honey. Just, oh, that's so beautiful. So we're gonna dig into this palette and we'll go in with the lipstick later. The palette looks exactly like the outer packaging. Oh, and the inside here says, oh, wow. I love that. Okay, but back to the palette. It is a makeup palette created by legend, icon, star, Trixie Mattel. It is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free. Good to know for all you gluten people out there. So this is just so cute. I just feel really cute next to this palette. Oh my gosh. Now we're gonna open her up and oh my god. Oh god, I'm sorry. Look at this. Oh, this is stunning. Okay, so you guys know I'm not really the most neutral oriented girl in the world. I like super colorful looks. I like rainbows. But this palette was just calling to me. I mean, look at how beautiful the mirror is. It's just got these beautiful little yellow roses in the corner. It's such a nice size, and it comes with a blush, and I knew I needed a blush. I got this mostly because I wanted the blush and I wanted the lipstick, and I really wanted the pink shade All Star. So I'm gonna swatch these for you guys real quick and let's go look. This is Oh Honey. Oh my god, that is beautiful. Then we're going in with the next shade called Side Saddle. These are super pigmented. Oh god, okay. So I'm going to do that a little bit more, just add a little bit tiny more just so you guys can see the color better. But that is a beautiful transition color. We're going into this next shade called Pony Boy. Oh, that's a beautiful dark burgundy brown. That is pretty. Oh, they're so freaking cream. They're so buttery and smooth. I can't. This is a very shimmery pink shade called Dolly. Oh, that's pretty. Now we're going to go into the shade All Star, which is the one I'm really excited about. This is a beautiful rose goldy pink. Oh, it kind of reminds me of what Trinket looks like when it's dry, their lipstick they have. I don't personally own it, but in pictures that's what it looks like. And this is the shade Romy, which is like a pinky brown neutral shade. Again, super pigmented, super pretty, really blendable. Oh, now we're gonna get into this blush. I am so excited for this blush. It is called Life Size. Oh, have you guys ever remember that movie? That movie was so good with Tyra Banks and Lindsay Lohan. Oh, this is pretty. This is a really pretty pink, and it's blending out really beautifully. So that's gonna look so good on the cheeks. My gosh, so these are all the swatches and how they look. So let's go apply them to the face with brushes, because we all know things are different with brushes than with your fingers. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm digging into this blush first. I don't care. We all know that I am a blush addict on this channel, and I need to have all the blush that I can. Oh, okay, so there's a little bit, there was some kickback, so this is gonna be very pigmented because I just tapped this with my brush, and ooh. Okay, so ready? I'm just gonna apply. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, this is really pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm applying a lot. If this offends you, I don't care. The more blush, the better. It is my favorite thing in the entire world. I will apply all the blush I want. Like, I'm always like, oh, lipstick is my favorite. But literally, I apply blush for days. I probably applied 10 days worth of blush on my face. But, ooh, this is so pretty. This might be my new favorite blush. Oh my gosh. I can't. And I'm applying it with my everyday blush brush, so I'm not doing anything different than I normally would. Oh my god. Okay, yes. Oh, I love this so much. Now I'm going to go in and apply some to my nose, because you can't forget that. This is literally so pigmented. I'm going to put a little bit, fade it a little bit more on the nose, because I didn't grab my usual, I don't usually use the same brush for my nose, but I was too lazy to get up and get my other one. I'm just gonna blend this out a little bit more. Oh my god. I love this. This is, oh my gosh, this is perfect. I just found my new favorite blush. Oh my gosh, can you guys make this like in a single palette and just always have this blush color? Because this is cute. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Okay, so we're gonna start working on the eyes. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I'm actually gonna go back in with that blush, and I'm gonna use it as my transition color. So I'm just gonna go in with a fluffy brush and just, because I really want a lot of pink. You know, I'm actually a little minorly disappointed that it wasn't a super like pinky palette, and that there wasn't a yellow shadow in the palette, because you would think, it being called Oh Honey, there would be some sort of yellow, but it's fine. I'm still happy with how it looks. Like, I'm not really complaining. That's the only thing I could say negatively, honestly. Everything else is amazing. So I wish it was more pinky, but I get it. Everyone likes a neutral eye. Everyone likes a neutral look. It's easy to travel with. This honestly will be the perfect thing to travel with. So we ran that, and now I'm going to go and put a little bit underneath my eye too, to tie in with my blush. I'm going to try to use every shade in the palette, so now I'm going to go in with Side Saddle, and I'm going to start putting that throughout the crease as well, lightly blending it into where I put Life Size. These are really pigmented though, so you want to be really light-handed. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, that is looking really pretty together. So we're just going to do that. Oh, I like how this is looking so far. Now we're really just going to lightly blend it out, and I'm just honestly using the same brush that I applied Life Size to my eyes with, so we really blend those two colors together. Oh, this is really pretty. Okay. Now I'm kind of going in with a different, more denser, fluffy brush, and I'm going to go take the shade Romy right here, and I'm going to start applying this to the outer like sides. I think I'm going to do a halo eye with this look, so I'll put it there. Then I'm taking that same brush from before, I'm just going to blend those together. I'm going to be taking a denser brush, and I'm going to take into Pony Boy and apply that to the inner and outer corners where we put the Romy shade too. And this is really just going to help deepen that up. And it's going to give that halo eye effect going on. And now I'm going to go back in with that brush that we used to blend Side Saddle and Life Size. And I'm just going to go through there with a little bit of Life Size just to really add some more pink into the eye, because I love pink eyeshadow. So again, these are blending so well together that it's coming so beautiful. I am loving this. Now I'm taking a flat pencil brush, and I'm going to take, not pencil brush, but a flat brush. I'm going to go back in with Life Size on my lower lash line some more, really smoking that out. Then I'm taking a more angled pencil brush, and I'm going to go in with a mix of Romy and Pony Boy and really smoke that on the lower lash. And I'm really focusing on connecting that to the upper eye. Now I'm going to go in with back in that one brush. I'm just going to blend a little bit more Life Size. There is a tiny bit of fallout from doing my under eyes, but I'm just going to wipe that off with a brush, and it combs right off. No problems there. Now I'm going to go and take the shade All Star. It's that shimmery pink shade. I'm going to apply that all over the center of my lid. Oh my god, I love this shade. This is beautiful. Okay, yes. I think this is my favorite shadow. It's beautiful. Then with my finger, I'm going to go in with Dolly, and I'm just going to put that right in the center of all that. Just to add a little bit more lightness in. I'm going to go in with the shade Oh Honey and place that into the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to apply eyeliner and lashes off screen, and I will be right back to finish up the look. Okay, so I have lashes on, and I add a little bit of white eyeliner to the waterline just to brighten up the eyes, make it a little bit more Dolly-like. I'm not doing a full drag look, but you know, you gotta have at least some white eyeliner on your waterline if you're doing a Trixie Mattel makeup collab. You know, it just, Trixie and her white eyeliner, you know you gotta have it. So we are going to move on and do some highlighting, and I'm going to take the shades, I'm going to mix Dolly and Oh Honey together to highlight my face. I think they'll just look really, really pretty together as a highlight, because I'm really just trying to use the palette. Oh, yes. Do you see that? Oh, that's beautiful. I'm going to put a little bit of that throughout the brow bone. This is a little on my nose, Cupid's bow, forehead, and chin. Oh my god, that is beautiful. This is so beautiful. I can't even. Oh my god, I love it. I'm loving this so much. And now we're gonna go into the lipstick. Okay. So the shade is called Barbara for Barbie. And you got Trixie Mattel's little signature on this side. That is really pretty. And then the Oh Honey logo. And it's like the other Sugarpill lipsticks where they have the Sugarpill everything. And this is supposed to be honeysuckle scented. So let's... I just got it on my nose. Yay. I'm just trying my best, and it smells nice. I don't know if it's honeysuckle, but then again, I really don't know if I know what honeysuckle smells like, but it is so pretty. We're gonna do a little hand swatch real quick. Oh my god, that is beautiful. And it's supposed to have like sparkles in it, like a rose goldy sparkle once it dries. I'm loving that. I can't wait. So let's go apply it on the lips. I overdrew my lips a teeny bit. I just felt like being a little extra because this is a drag inspired palette. I mean, a drag queen helped come up with this, so you gotta overdraw, you gotta be extra. Her makeup is all about being exaggerated. So I did a little bit because, you know, I was trying to do a everyday look, but I just couldn't help myself. I am obsessed with this color. Like, Barbara is literally the perfect Barbie pink. I know it's supposed to be like with the name Barbara and with Trixie Mattel, but literally is so beautiful. And I'm so sad because on camera, I don't know if you guys can see the beautiful sparkles, and like as it keeps drying and like I keep talking and pressing my lips together, it's getting more and more glittery, and it's just so pretty. It's like little pink rose gold little sparkles, and like I feel like a princess. Honestly, this is the best pink ever, and I'm definitely including this in my top 10 pink lipstick video for whenever I film this, because it's honestly my new favorite pink lipstick. Just like, I'm obsessed. I love it so much. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm rambling. It's such a pretty lipstick. This palette is amazing. I am so happy to get my hands on it. It is honestly just so perfect for traveling. It's so cute and compact, and you can do so much with just these few little shades. Like, honestly, like some people are like, oh, you could just do random smoky eye, but you could do like really grungy looks with like these. You could do like super pastel girly looks with this side. You can go all natural. Like, this is literally perfect. I know I'm going to be taking this traveling, especially when I go to Nashville for my sister's wedding. It's just really pretty. Like, I am obsessed with it, and I just love this mirror. I love the roses. I just really love everything about it so far. Like, it's so cute, and I just really loved how these shadows performed. Like, they just went on so smooth and blended so nicely, and this blush is the most amazing blush I've ever put on my face. This is going to be my new favorite blush, and I know I'm going to hit pan, and I'm going to be really sad if I hit pan because it's so pretty, so I really hope they try to bring this back in some other way, and I just need this blush forever, in my life. Just I need it. I need it. If you guys can get your hands on this, go buy it because it's honestly so worth it. It is so versatile. Oh my god, like a grungy smoky eye with Pony Boy. Oh my god, with mixing it with a little bit of Life Size. Oh, that would look so gorgeous. I'm definitely going to do that this week. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. And this lipstick is perfect. Literally, I love it. I love everything. I'm so happy. Thank you, Sugarpill. Thank you, Trixie Mattel. Like, you guys did an amazing job. Like, I'm not even mad that it wasn't like just an all yellow and pink palette. I am so happy. I feel so freaking cute right now, and I'm so sad that I have to wash this off because it's like 3 in the morning and I have nowhere to go, but I'm probably gonna redo this exact look for work tomorrow because I just feel so freaking cute. Like, honestly, I am a little doll right now. I am Donut Princess Mattel. I just feel super cute. I'm sorry. I'm feeling myself again. It might be the yellow hair. Like, every time I have yellow hair on, I'm just so like, hello, what's up? It's me. Hi, I'm cute. But yes, this palette was amazing. 10/10, go buy. Literally get your hands on it. You will not regret it. It is perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I know I've been missing for a little bit, but I've just been having the worst allergies of my life, and then my computer charger died, so I couldn't even edit my videos. So I have other videos that I filmed before this, but I had to get this video out because it just, I love it. It's amazing. It's amazing. I'm obsessed. I can't even, like, thank you guys so much. If you enjoyed it, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. That would just be so amazing for you guys. And comment down below what your favorite drag queen is, or what your favorite Sugarpill product is. Tell me down below if you watch Drag Race. Let's talk about drag queens. Let's talk about makeup. Let's talk about it all. I'm so happy with how this look came out, and I just see myself using this every day. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you stay lovely. Bye!